Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can order iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google, order iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you need to open the first website, that is apple.com. So once you are on that website, so here you can see that from here you need to select the smartphone. So here you can see iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So let's suppose I want to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max. From here you need to select the color, okay. And here you need to select the storage. You can select 256, 512 and 1 TB. And here from here you need to choose the model. So you can choose model here as well, but I want to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I already selected and not trade in, okay. And here you need to select the payment options. So I want to click on buy and click on connectivity. From here you can Apple cover plus coverage. So if you want you can select, let's suppose I do not want, okay. And here you need to click on add to bag. So wait for few seconds, it will be added into my bag. So here you can see that. So you simply need to click on that review bag, and after that you need to click on checkout. So once you are here you simply need to sign in as guest, okay. And here you need to enter a zip code for your delivery option, and here you need to add your location and do a payment. So once you do a payment, your order will be received in 5 to 7 days as claimed by the Apple. So this is the process by which you can order iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.